Hello and welcome to Tech Edify. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a YouTube channel on your mobile phone. Maybe if you're a content creator, you want to start a content creation business. That is to start putting your content on YouTube and get monetized. Now, don't forget that YouTube pays for content creators when you reach to the requirement of what? Monetization. Now, to create a YouTube channel on your mobile phone, then I'll first of all urge you to download the YouTube app. Now, if you have it already on your phone, fine. But if you don't have it, you can go to Play Store and then download the YouTube app. Now, I've already installed my YouTube app. This is it. So I'll just launch it. Now, when you launch it, because I'm a new user onto YouTube, now here I have to tap on my user account or my user profile that is located down here. So when I tap on it, it brings to my account. Now here, if you check the account, you can see that it doesn't have a YouTube channel. So below it, you have seen create a channel. So just tap on create a channel. But if you have a different account that you want to switch to, you can tap here, that is switch to account. Maybe you have multiple user or maybe you have multiple Gmail account, you can do that from here. All right, so let me just go back. So here, don't forget that you will need a Gmail account to create a YouTube channel. So if you don't have one, you can just simply create a new account. So here I've already signed in with my account. That is, this is my Gmail account. So here I'll tap on the create a channel. So when you click on create a channel, now this is what will come. We have a profile picture. That is, you need to choose a profile picture that you want to use for your channel. This can be done later. And this is the channel name. So here, the name that you want to give to your channel, you have to what? Give it a name. So here, let's assume maybe I want to come with this name. So this is the name maybe I want to use, Content Academy. For example, that is what you want to use. So if you want to use a unique name for your channel, then please don't forget to put that name there. So after that, now what we have to do is that we need to what? Save it. All right, so we have given our channel a name. Now we have what we call handle. The handle is a unique name that you can also use, or users can also use to identify your channel. So by default, it starts with the @ sign. So here you can customize it. YouTube will suggestly assign a unique name for you, but you can just change it if you don't want it. So here, maybe I want to use, all right, so basically that's what we want to use. Let's check. All right, so that name is always available. So here, this is a unique name. So it means someone want to search your YouTube channel, they can use the @Content Academy School. You can change it later if you wish. So here too, I will just click on save. All right. So these are the two information that we need. You can continue on later as we move on. So here we'll have to hit on create a channel. So let me just tap on create channel. All right, so now our YouTube channel has been created. So let me just go back to it again. So let's start from the name or the account profile over here. Okay, so now that is our channel. That is the name we gave it. You can customize it. All right, so let's come to our channel and then customize. So you just tap on the view channel. So when you tap on the view channel, now this is your channel. There is nothing here. So we'll have to do some 2 or 3 customization. Probably you have to give your channel some description. So if you want to edit your channel, so you have to tap on the pencil icon here. So when you come here, this is our channel name and this is the handle that we created. This is your URL, and then you can also add a description. Now supposing your channel is about this one, we are just using it for content creation. So let me just put a simple description for this channel. All right, so you can give it a nice description. The description also helps new people or new users who comes to your channel to find your channel. So let me just save it. So depending on the type of content you want to create, you can give it a nice description. Now, if you want to customize it, as you can see, most channels may have some wallpaper or a background picture to cover your channel to make it look very nice. You can just tap here. And then maybe if you have a picture on your phone that you want to use, or you have a picture that you want to use as a background, you can choose that. Let me just show you a sample channel. This is the background that you are seeing there. Yes, so as your channel, you might have a picture or like a graphics that will show behind. That is your wallpaper, and this is the logo. So that is how you can you can design a nice background or a nice picture to use as a background or a wallpaper for your channel. So let me just go back to our new channel that we just created. So let me switch account. All right, so now that is how you can customize your channel. So this is a simple way to create a channel from your phone, and it's very simple and it's easy. Now our channel doesn't have anything yet. In case you have videos, this is where you can manage all your videos, and this tab shows analytics. That is, if you want to see how your channel is performing, you can see that as you begin to upload content on it. So, and then when you come down here, this is to create a content. That is, if you want to upload anything, you can create a short, you can upload a video, or you can go live or create a post. So basically that is what you can do on your channel. You can also use this plus icon here. It's the same thing. If you go here, we have video, means that if you want to choose a video or upload a video. So here, if you have videos on your phone, you can just simply select one, and then automatically you can add information about the video. That is to give the video a title. You can also give the video a description, and now from there you go to next. So that is how you can set up a YouTube channel right on your mobile phone. If you are using Android or you are using iOS, just download the YouTube app from your App Store or from your Google Play Store, and now follow this video and get your YouTube channel done. If you are having any challenges or any question, please kindly put it in the comment section, and then don't forget to like this video and share this video to help others learn about how they can also create a YouTube channel.